Hey boo, my name is Kira, and on this side of town, we talk about all things travel, budget traveling to be exact. So if that's something that you're interested in, why don't you consider subscribing? I promise you gonna get the tea with me. Vacation season is here, and from what I'm hearing, a lot of y'all got cruises booked. So of course I had to pull up and do a what I would wear on a cruise or what I would wear on vacation type of video, honey, because we need the looks to be looking. All of these items I got from SHEIN. I do want to let you know that this video is a two-parter. The other video will be found, however, on my main channel where I do most of my fashion hauls. So if you like the vibes over here, why don't you consider going over there on that side of town and checking it out. Girl, do I not look like I belong on the Lido deck? Just watching the ocean. You cannot tell me that this does not scream cruise or vacation. I bet not look at your cart and it not have a two-piece set in it. It's effortless. You don't have to put too much thought in it. All you need is the accessories. I love that for me. When it comes to any type of vacation, I got this in a size extra large. Yeah, I got this from the regular side of town, honey, and we almost didn't make it. By the grace of God, as well as the elasticity here in the waist and the smock that allows my back to back, that's how we was able to get up in here. But honey, it's the print for me. The material of this two-piece set is really great quality, honey. Really great quality. They even have a slit up under there, honey. So your goodies will not be aired out in them cruise streets. I love the flowiness of this. I love how it gives just enough peakage of the stomach area, honey. And I love that the skirt is just high enough to tuck the fupa, honey. There are plenty options on SHEIN's website. Speaking of options, hold on. Now this is actually my second time pulling up behind this particular set. This one I got in an extra large. They do have some that are also in SHEIN curve, meaning 1X, 2X, 3X, 4X as well. This is available in different colors. I actually have it in a different color. I have it in this like shade of blue and turquoise. Girl, looks like the ocean. But this one here, I absolutely love the colors, the vibrancy that it gives, especially on my skin tone. Y'all know how I feel about orange and hot pink on chocolate. I will say that the fit of this extra large in this particular color is a little bit looser and more room, which I can appreciate that, than the one that I have in the other color. There is elastic here in the waist area, only in the back with this one, not all the way around, just the back. And then we also have the smock material, which allows our back to back, honey. I even feel like that is really great for the big titties, honey. Because if your titties are tittying, you need that room. You need that expansion, honey. And that's what this here is giving. I'm obsessed. Why are you so obsessed with me? Boy, I wanna know. Lying that you're sexing me when everybody knows. Clear that you're upset with me. Oh, but if I'm a girl that you couldn't back. You're delusional. You're wasting your time. Crazy. It's confusing, yo. Boy, you're wasting your time. See right through you like your baby when next. I love the length of this. It's so flowy, it's so flirty, it's so girly, and it's so vacation-like. It's so cruise-like. Get you one. Don't you ever leave home talking about you putting up to somebody island, cruise, vacation, and not take maxi dresses. There's too many options. You could literally live in a maxi dress while on vacation, aside from a swimsuit. I got this in a size 0XL, and if you're new here, your girl is 5'10". I'm a stallion, and this is actually pretty lengthy, right? I'm standing here looking like Tiana. Am I not looking like Tiana, the princess, the Disney princess, honey? I'm definitely giving that energy with this in here dress on. The only thing I wish it would have had was some pockets. That would have set some off, honey. The material is material, and it's not no cheap fabric or material. It is a really great quality. We have a lot of smut going on back here in the back of this dress. Our backs can backs. We love that. I'm loving the silhouette that this dress is giving, right? It slims up the waist up in here, and then it just flares on out at the bottom. The Maxi is Maxi, honey. We have adjustable straps here, and I don't know about the cup. See, it gives you like a little cup fixture going on already, and my girls ain't girly. I'm a C cup. I feel like your cup will spill it over in this in here because they don't give you a whole lot of cup, but I could be wrong. I'm gonna talk about your titties. I can't talk about nobody titties but mine. Aside from that, girl, get into the color on this chocolate. Do you see that lime? And the thing is, it's not that bright lime green. I know sometimes people don't want to look like the crossing guard. I get it. I don't mind, but I get it. This is a little bit more of a settled line. Girl, where's my crown? Speaking of dresses, we do not forget to get the shorter dresses, the skater dresses, the dresses that are going to have the legs out. I heard that you're looking for a new man. How the hell you think you're going to find them all covered up? Not saying that there's anything wrong with being covered up. I'm saying that we're on vacation. Your skin is skinning, and the people don't need to see it. I got this in here dressed in a size 1XL, and I'm not really sure if what's behind you heard me earlier say that I'm 5'10". But a lot of the times I try to stay clear from these style of dresses. I ain't gonna lie. Because I don't even want my monkey on these streets. But girl, this length is actually respectful. It's not too bad. I can still, you know, get down on the part of the stars, okay? Get down on it, come on, get down on it, on the dance floor. It's giving one of those, right? Out there with the electric slide. Electric slide, you can't see it. It's electric, boogie, woogie, woogie, hey. Head down on that well. I got to move. Come on, did you wanna party right? Yeah. This material is, I'm pretty sure it's polyester, but it's really great quality. As you can see here, we got the ruffle going on the sleeve area. We have the smock for our backs to back. We got the layers, honey, like we're a little cake. I love this, not to mention the yellow on chocolate, honey. I want to see y'all in color. You can have just enough chesticles out, not too much. I like this dress more than I thought I would. I feel like it's very young, playful energy, but not immature, not immature. All right, boo, so let's get into this dress that I'm currently wearing now, honey. This is for the elegant night. Now, everybody's elegant night dress will look different, or attire. We have the church people, them that's gonna pull up in their suit and tie. We have some people who's gonna come plain Jane in their jeans and their vacation shirt because, hell, they paid their money and they want to wear what they want to wear. And you got some people like myself who want to be a little cute, want to be very sexy, showing a little skin. I'm saying all that to say, the options are endless when it comes to having an elegant dress, but you definitely want to pack you one. Typically, if you're going on a selling for about 3 to 4 days, there's one elegant night. And if you go longer, I say 7 days, I think it's 2, 7 or more days, there's typically 2 nights like so. This dress I got in a size extra large, and I was nervous about it, but the stretch is amazing. The quality is amazing. It does have like a built-in slip under, so your goodies are not out here in them streets, honey, because it is like a mesh insert style in certain areas. It's the animal print for me. Am I giving zebra? Do it look like I belong in a jungle somewhere? Y'all gotta remind me to add some titty tape to my Amazon cart because I need these girls sitting up to my neck, not on their couch, okay? Get into the back. It's the back for me. Now, I don't like this because then it takes away from the back, and I need my back to show. So I may cut it. But we have the little scraps here, which is elastic, which allows your back to back. If you got the biscuit spillage like I do, it may get folded and lost inside the roll. It may, but who gives a damn? I just love everything about this bodycon fit dress. Like, I know I have lumps and bumps, but with that built-in slip, it almost serves as a shapewear. And if you want to really give it to them, you can put on an extra pair of shapewear. You can't do nothing too much, though, because this is a little low. It's a little low, and we don't want it out on display. Please don't wear no bra. I don't want to see you in no bra with this. And I love the length. If you're shorter than me, it's going to hit the floor. Probably drag it. That is going to be a look, right? Oh, I know hubby going to love me in this one. I'm going to wait to wear this on an anniversary trip, honey. Ooh, girl, y'all better hope that I don't come back with another niece or do not leave home for your cruise or resort stay and not pack you a all-white outfit. Even if you're not sure if that's going to be the case. If that theme of a party will be hosted, take it with you. 9 times out of 10 on vacation, for whatever reason, they always want to go with an all-white theme. I've had that experience on cruises. I've had that experiences at resorts. That's just something that they do. So I never leave home without it. I never leave home without it. I feel like this is giving boho chic. I definitely feel Erykah Badu-ish in this one. I got this in a size 1XL, and it's very thick quality and material. As a matter of fact, this skirt is double lined. The only thing about it is up in here, I ain't gonna lie, it's a little loose. I would probably have to try to pin it or do something, because even with me tying it tighter up here, it's still got the cups a little loose. Girl, that's because I ain't got no cups. The collection tray will be going around. I don't know how many times I have to say this in my videos. Please donate. Send it to my P.O. box. It has like a little lace going on. I don't know. It's something about this in here set that just screams natural, nature, honey, the universe, cocoa butter, shea butter. I just feel like it's just giving this whole just goddess look. I love how flowy it is. Again, we have elastic in the waist. That's the only elastic and stretch that we have. Throughout the dress, there's no additional stretch. There is no additional stretch. Let's see how the back is. Yeah, it's cute. But the moral of this story is don't leave home without your all white set. Whether it be this one or one that you're more comfortable in, pack that all white. Jumpsuits is another essential that you need to pack with you on that vacation. Maybe not necessarily this one, especially if you're typically like a 1X, 2X. While I was able to get up in here, it's a little intrusive and invading. I don't know if you're seeing how it's all up, eating up the monk and everything. I don't like that. And then I can't even move and do too much because I'm almost afraid that my cup will split out and over. And I feel like I gotta be like this so that it can actually cover up my titties. And my titties are itty bitty. Imagine yours. They don't give you that much cup. This in here gotta be for the petites, the smalls, the extra smalls, the tinies, honey. Because it's no way. I have a long torso, so I should have known better. Yeah, child. I should have known better than to think I would leave. I should have known better than to try to add this to the cart. But if you're shorter than me, if you're smaller than me, as you can see, as me being 5'10", it literally hits the top of my foot. So imagine where it would hit you. It just will be more comfortable. It's not comfortable at all. This in here has the smock, so it gives your back room to back, and it gave me more elasticity and room. But honey, there is a slight stretch in the waist, slight. But this is almost like 100% maybe linen or something of that sort. Maybe it's cousin. So there is no stretch and give. Size accordingly. I think this is an extra large. Did I say that? I believe so. I know this is not on the plus side of town, but I read in the comments that it was very giving, meaning that you can get into it. And I almost feel like I got catfish based on what the people them said. This is from Musera though. M-U-S-E-R-A. Is that Musera? Something like that. This is a really great shop. Great quality. on SHEIN. Personally, when I'm on a cruise, I don't want to do the most. I don't. I know some people really get really into all of the styling and just so much extra and they put in so much work. Bless their heart. Nothing against them. I just know what I like. And I like to be very cute, but simplistic. I don't want to do too much. I'm on vacation. The item that you will live in aside from Maxi dresses is your swimwear. Do not leave home without a swimsuit. I don't give a damn if you don't know how to swim. I'm with you. But I'm going to sit over there by that hot tub and I'm going to sit on the edge of that pool and look cute. That's for sure. Throughout my experiences with traveling the world, especially going to the Caribbean countries, honey, I lived in maxi dresses and swimsuits all day long. This in here swimsuit I got in the size 1XL. I don't know what it is about me lately with the one pieces. Yes, this is a one pieces. They are so cute. You don't have to be ass out to be, you know, giving it to them. Now, granted, it is a little cut. It is cut a little, you know, you see the cut? Yeah, the cut is a little high. So some cheeks will be out there in them streets. But hey, we at the pool. Let's have this in here cover up piece, which I really love. I absolutely love the whole shades of melanin. Do you see that? Well, besides vanilla, huh? As far as sizing goes, I wouldn't size down. I think this is perfecto. And I'm definitely going to pull up and get more because this is cute. So I don't know if you've been tuned in to SHEIN's swim options, but honey, they've been coming. They've been coming, especially the one-piece suits. Do not count the one pieces out. I really love that this in here is not cut up all in the vajayjay, eating up, honey, because sometimes your swimsuits can be greedy and disrespectful. You don't see not a bit of hair, nothing. So if you one of them ones that's all natural and you ain't trying to get nothing trimmed for nobody, good. They won't be able to tell no way. Well, we done made it to the end of this haul, and you already know what I want to know. Which item was your favorite? I do want to mention that I have a dedicated video telling you everything you need to know as far as cruise essentials. I even have a cruise playlist where I share my experiences on certain cruise lines and such. So get into that as well. Again, do not forget that there will be another part to this particular haul. So make sure you're pulling up to my channel, Simply Miss Kira. Before you go, make sure you drop this emoji down in the comments. That's how I'm gonna know it's real, especially if you don't have a favorite. Just drop that, because that helps my channel. That's engagement. And that's gonna let YouTube know that this video needs to be in them YouTube streets for everybody to see. I wanna thank you so very much for taking time out to watch my video. Until next time. Later.